Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club. The S&P 500 and stock market were under heavy pressure in early trading Friday as the R word was being thrown around. The S&P 500 was down as much as 2.3% earlier in the session, and at the day's lows was down a little over 20%, which means that technically it could have been considered in a bear market. That's why I said the S&P 500 was flirting with a bear market. As there's no official designation from Wall Street, some will count Friday's decline at the intraday lows as a confirmation of the bear market, or some traders will believe that it needs to finish and close below that 20% to enter a bear market. But that's just kind of where we are. But as we usually do on the Friday, we'll take a look at the S&P 500 chart. And as you can see, we're looking at that seventh straight week of declines, trading at 3,901.36, hitting a low of 3,810.32 on the day, with the chart analysis score negative 90, indicating that overall we are still in a strong downtrend for the S&P 500. Key level to watch moving forward will be 4,307.66. A move above that level would give us a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position. Take a look at the dollar index. Actually suffered its first weekly loss in 6 weeks, in week 7 here, down 1.7%, trading at 103.13, with a chart analysis score plus 65, indicating that overall we're still in a long-term uptrend, just coming under some near-term weakness. Key level to watch would be 102.35. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Dow Jones had its 8 straight weeks of declines, down 2.9% on the week, with a chart analysis score negative 90, indicating that overall we're still in a strong downtrend for the Dow, trading at 31,261.90. Key level to watch would be 34,117.74. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow. NASDAQ joining the fray, down 3.8% on the week, with a chart analysis score negative 90, indicating that overall we're still in a strong downtrend for the NASDAQ. Finished trading at 11,354.62. Again, it's 7th straight week of declines. Key level to watch is below 13,000 now at 12,985.01. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the NASDAQ. Take a look at crude oil. We've moved to the July contract upon expiration, up 2% on the week, trading at 110.47, with a chart analysis score plus 100, with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that we're in a strong uptrend for crude oil. Key level to watch would be 105.10. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. Gold was actually able to get into a positive week after 4 straight weeks of declines, up 1.8% on the week, with a chart analysis score negative 55, indicating that overall we're in a sidelines position for gold, currently trading at 1,844.30. Move below 1,811.60 would give us a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term short position for gold. Well, back out here, we'll take a look at Bitcoin, who actually just set a record of its own. It's currently down 3% on the day, but we are currently looking at 7 straight weeks of declines, its longest run of weekly declines ever. Currently down 2% on the week, trading below 30,000 at 29,202.28, with a chart analysis score negative 75, indicating that overall we're still in a long-term downtrend for Bitcoin. Key level to watch should be 40,050.19. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. We'll actually take a look at, turn this to a daily chart. As you can see, last week we highlighted that it was kind of sitting around this $30,000 level, and it's still hanging around there, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. But my question to you is, will we see 20,000 for Bitcoin first or 40,000? Why don't you drop a comment below and let me know what you think. With that, every success, have a great weekend, And we'll be back next week with a market update.